Today is March 16th, 2023. I'm starting on the trays along the sides, on the port and starboard side. They're like cabinets or cupboards, except they're just open. They're just open trays. I had that on my last two boats, and I really like it because everything's really accessible and you can see exactly where everything is. And I don't carry that much stuff with me anyway, but I just think that those open trays are so much handier. You don't have to fiddle around with looking in different compartments to see where this is or where that is, or put something away. I just like these things. So that's what I'm doing here today. I'm starting with a piece of marine plywood. This is 1/2-inch plywood. I'm going to round off the sides so they are more comfortable to the hand to deal with, and they look better. And then I'll be installing them in the boat. So here we go. Well, that's how we do it. I think that'll look all right. Today is Saturday the 18th, and I'm going to start on the gunwales here now, which are the top surface on top of the shear there. So what I did was I took a large sheet of cardboard and laid it on top. I didn't show that on camera because I forgot to turn the camera on. And then I traced around it with a pencil the best I could. And now I'm going to fair the curves, make sure everything is nice and smooth looking, I guess. And I'll cut it out, and then I'll have to take 3 pieces before I get all the way up to the bow there. But I'll start on it today and see how far I get. And that's it. So I'll show you how that goes. Well, here's what it looks like from the top side. This wide section here will be part of a cabinet, the top of the cabinet. That's why it's sticking out like that. It's going to house my fuel hose. This is the washdown pump right here. And of course, this is the live well tank. The batteries will be there. There'll be another battery underneath there. And that's the first part. I got 5 more to go. That's a half lap joint. The other half's on the other board, and I'll go put them together. Okay, here's that half lap joint. I only got one hand here, so I don't know if I can do this very well. Let me go up here and adjust the front. Well, that's how she looks anyway. I'll put that together with epoxy before I prime it, and it'll be good as new. Let me give you a shot. This is probably as far as I'm going to get tonight here. So I'll get inside the boat and give you a look at what this looks like from up on top. Well, here's a bird's eye view now of the gunnel so far. I have 3 pieces in place. I have about 3 more to go, actually. These aren't glued down, they're just sitting here. After they do get glued down, I'm going to have to go over with a router and get the edge nice and smooth. Now this piece back over here on the starboard side, I cannot attach down yet because that hole right there in that last bulkhead is where all the wires and control cables come through, and that hole, this hole here too, they come through from the motor up to the cockpit, which will be right on the other side of this bulkhead. Haven't built that yet either, but I can't attach that piece right there down because I have to lift that off of there. Once those wires and cables go through that hole, then I have to fill that area with foam before I attach that, and that's why I can't finish that just yet. So that's it for the day. Tomorrow's another day, and I'll be back out here then. Well, today I fit the pieces for the gunnels and the breast hook way up in the bow. It was a long, tedious process. I had to jump in and out of this boat 100 times to fit them, take them in the shop, whittle down on them a little bit, put them on the bandsaw, plane them, sand them, cut the half lap joints, put them back up, try them again and again until I got them all just right. So I'm there. I haven't anchored them down yet, but I will be doing that next couple of days. That's that. Here's what the gunnel pieces look like from the aft end here. Like I said, they're not anchored down yet, but you can kind of see now how that's going to look, the outline of my shear there. Starting to look like a boat. We're getting there.